Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 professional diagnostic scanners currently represented in the Automax Tools catalog from 4 major brands. We are comparing Autel, TOPDON, ThinkCAR, and ZENITH, focusing on real workshop capability rather than simply choosing the most expensive tablet. The ranking considers full system diagnostics, bi-directional control, ECU coding and programming, modern protocols, topology, hardware, expansion options, and workshop efficiency. Every tool here serves a different type of technician, so the best choice depends on the vehicles, jobs, and services your workshop handles. We will start at number 10 and move toward our strongest overall professional platform. Here are the top 10 diagnostic scanners in our current range. At number 10 is the Zenith Z5, a compact professional diagnostic scanner developed by EZDS, the company behind the established G-Scan diagnostic platform. The Z5 uses an 8-inch Full HD touchscreen, an octa-core processor, Android operating system, and a rugged lightweight body designed for daily workshop use. Its strength is straightforward professional diagnostics, automatic vehicle selection, fast system search, live data, fault code scanning, service functions, and pre- and post-diagnostic reporting. A major advantage is J2534 pass-through capability, allowing the Z5 to work as a programming interface for supported vehicle manufacturers and compatible OEM software. The hardware also accepts 24-volt systems and supports bidirectional communication with commercial trucks and buses, giving it useful coverage beyond passenger cars. Zenith focuses heavily on practical diagnostic software, fast feedback, data logging, and workshop usability, rather than loading the tablet with unnecessary consumer features. For technicians who value Korean diagnostic engineering, broad vehicle support, commercial vehicle capability, and a compact form factor, the Z5 remains a serious professional option. It takes number 10 because newer platforms offer larger screens and more integrated advanced functions, but the Z5 is still dependable, efficient, and highly workshop focused. At number 9 is the Zenith Z7 Lite, a newer wireless all-in-one platform that expands the Zenith concept into a larger and more modern tablet. It features a 10.1-inch Full HD display, an octa-core processor, Android 11, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and Bluetooth 5. The Z7 Lite is built around multi-brand full system diagnostics with advanced bidirectional capability, making it suitable for workshops that need active component testing and deeper troubleshooting. It also supports service functions, automatic identification, quick system scans, diagnostic reports, and workflow features designed to reduce the number of steps technicians perform each day. Another advantage is expansion into ADAS calibration and support for modern vehicle categories, including electric, hybrid, passenger, and selected 24-volt commercial applications. Compared with the Z5, the larger screen and newer hardware make the Z7 Lite easier to use for long diagnostic sessions and more complex live data analysis. This is a strong choice for workshops wanting an all-in-one wireless scanner without immediately moving into the highest priced programming-focused flagship category. The Z7 Lite earns number 9 because it combines excellent diagnostic usability and coverage, while the next tools add stronger programming, remote support, or integrated specialty functions. At number 8 is the ThinkTool Master X2, a professional all-in-one scanner designed for workshops handling modern multi-brand vehicles and advanced service work. The Master X2 combines OE-level full system diagnostics with online ECU programming on supported vehicles, built-in TPMS capability, remote expert support, and broad maintenance functions. Its 10.1-inch tablet provides a practical balance between portability and screen space, while the Android platform keeps navigation familiar for technicians working throughout the day. Modern communication support and wireless diagnostics make it suitable for newer vehicle architectures, while passenger vehicle software forms the core package in the Automax Tools catalog. For workshops expanding into electric or heavy-duty vehicles, additional software can extend the platform, allowing the same tablet to serve a wider range of customer jobs. Built-in TPMS is especially useful because technicians can move from full system diagnostics to tire pressure service without automatically reaching for a separate diagnostic tablet. The Master X2 is best suited to workshops wanting programming, diagnostics, TPMS, and remote support combined in a single professional ecosystem with room for future expansion. It ranks number 8 because the tools above it bring either more advanced AI-driven workflows, stronger measurement hardware, deeper remote capability, or flagship-level programming platforms. At number 7 is the TOPDON Phoenix Remote, a scanner built around one major idea. Professional diagnostics should not be limited by the technician's physical location. Phoenix Remote combines conventional local diagnostics with remote diagnostic capability, allowing technicians to collaborate with specialists and perform supported advanced procedures from different locations. Its MDCI supports CANFD, DoIP, J2534, D-PDU, RP1210, and CAN communication, giving the platform access to both modern passenger and commercial vehicle networks. TOPDON also includes topology mapping, FCA secure gateway access, guided procedures for Volkswagen Group vehicles, and advanced coding and programming functions on supported brands. The 10.1-inch Android tablet supports voice and video communication, which can be valuable when a workshop needs expert assistance without moving the vehicle to another facility. Phoenix Remote also covers a large multi-brand database and supports new energy vehicles, making the concept especially attractive for workshops serving varied fleets or difficult diagnostic cases. Its strongest selling point is not simply hardware specification, it is the ability to connect local repair work with remote technical expertise and advanced OE-level workflows. That unique remote capability places it at number 7, although newer flagship tablets above it deliver faster hardware, larger displays, integrated measurement tools, or broader all-in-one performance. At number 6 is the Autel MaxiSys MS909S2, part of Autel's latest S2 generation of professional diagnostic tablets for high-level multi-brand workshops. The MS909S2 uses an 11-inch high-resolution display, Android 13, 12GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and a 15,000 mAh battery. Its diagnostic platform includes Topology 3.0, enhanced live data and PID analysis, full system diagnostics, active tests, service functions, ECU coding, and supported online programming. Communication is handled through the upgraded VCI2 with support for DoIP, CANFD, J2534, and D-PDU, covering both current and next-generation vehicle network requirements. Autel also adds its Max virtual assistant, allowing hands-free navigation for tasks such as system scanning, maintenance functions, and active tests during workshop procedures. Compared with the MS919S2, the key limitation is measurement hardware. The MS909S2 VCI2 does not integrate the full oscilloscope and multimeter package found higher up. That makes it ideal for workshops wanting top-level software, programming, coding, topology, and modern protocols without necessarily paying for a complete electrical measurement system. The MS909S2 takes number 6 because it delivers very strong professional diagnostics, but the top 5 add more specialized hardware, AI features, or broader flagship integration. At number 5 is the ThinkTool Expert 399, a high-end diagnostic platform built around large-screen productivity, intelligent assistance, and wide vehicle coverage. In the Automax Tools catalog, the Expert 399 is positioned with a 14-inch high-definition display, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and rugged construction. The system is designed for OE-level full system diagnostics, active tests, advanced service functions, and professional workflows across passenger, commercial, hybrid, and electric vehicle categories. A major differentiator is its AI-oriented diagnostic approach, using intelligent assistants to help technicians move through fault analysis and reduce time spent searching through complex menus. The catalog also positions the Expert 399 for exceptionally broad vehicle coverage and multi-vehicle workshop use, making it suitable for busy service centers handling many brands daily. For technicians, the large display matters more than it sounds. Topology, live data, reports, wiring information, and multi-system results become easier to compare on one screen. The Expert 399 therefore targets workshops that want a premium ThinkCAR platform with strong hardware and intelligent diagnostics, not merely another standard code-reading tablet. It reaches number 5 because it offers an impressive all-round package, while the final 4 platforms currently provide stronger verified programming ecosystems or integrated measurement capability. At number 4 is the TOPDON Phoenix Smart, one of the strongest programming-focused diagnostic tablets in TOPDON's professional Phoenix family. Phoenix Smart supports full system diagnostics across more than 200 vehicle brands, along with active testing, topology mapping, guided functions, and FCA secure gateway access. A major reason it ranks this high is cloud-based programming for more than 13 supported brands, plus online coding functions for manufacturers including Audi, BMW, and Porsche. The included Phoenix MD CI Pro supports CANFD, DoIP, D-PDU, RP1210, and J2534 related professional workflows, helping technicians work with newer electronic vehicle architectures. Hardware includes a 10.1-inch touchscreen, Android 10, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and a 12,600 mAh battery. Phoenix Smart can also expand into ADAS calibration with TOPDON's compatible calibration system, giving workshops a path from diagnostics into higher-value driver assistance services. This is a particularly strong option for workshops that prioritize programming, coding, topology, modern protocols, and broad multi-brand support without requiring a very large flagship tablet. Phoenix Smart takes number 4 because its diagnostic and programming package is extremely capable, but the final 3 add stronger integrated measurement hardware or flagship level overall performance. At number 3 is the Autel MaxiSys MS919S2, which adds serious electrical measurement capability to Autel's latest professional diagnostic software and S2 hardware platform. Like the MS909S2, it uses an 11-inch high-resolution Android 13 tablet with 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, and Wi-Fi 6E. The major difference is the 6-in-1 MaxiFlash VCMI2, combining advanced vehicle communication with a 4-channel oscilloscope, multimeter, waveform generation, CAN bus testing, and J2-534 capability. For diagnostics, technicians get Topology 3.0, enhanced PID analysis, active tests, full system scanning, ECU coding, supported programming, digital vehicle inspection, and extensive service functions. This combination matters because difficult faults are not always solved through trouble codes. The VCMI2 lets a technician move from software diagnosis directly into electrical signal verification. That makes the MS919S2 especially valuable for advanced workshops dealing with intermittent network faults, sensor issues, communication problems, and complex electronic systems on modern vehicles. It delivers much of the functional capability associated with the Ultra S2 while using a more compact 11-inch format, which some technicians may actually prefer for daily mobility. The MS919S2 earns number 3 because it is one of the most complete diagnostic and measurement platforms available, falling short only of our 2 strongest overall flagship packages. At number 2 is the TOPDON Phoenix Max, TOPDON's large format, flagship style diagnostic platform built for workshops that want maximum visibility, advanced programming, and electrical troubleshooting. The Phoenix Max features a 13.3-inch display, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, an 8-core processor, and a large 18,600 mAh battery. It supports full system diagnostics, bi-directional testing, topology mapping, AutoVIN, FCA, secure gateway access, guided VAG procedures, and 41 maintenance services for mainstream supported vehicles. Cloud-based programming covers a range of major manufacturers, while online coding expands workshop capability for supported premium brands such as Audi, BMW, and Porsche. The Phoenix MDCI Pro provides modern protocol support, including DoIP, CANFD, D-PDU, and RP1210, with hardware designed for advanced passenger and optional heavy-duty diagnostic work. Phoenix Max also includes the Phoenix Scope configuration for 4-channel oscilloscope work, allowing technicians to evaluate sensors, ignition signals, circuits, pressure-related faults, and intermittent electrical problems. Optional heavy-duty software, ADAS compatibility, battery testing accessories, and key programming expansion make the Phoenix Max more than a scanner. It can become a workshop diagnostic ecosystem. It takes number 2 because the combination of screen size, programming, topology, scope capability, protocols, and expansion is exceptional. Only one platform edges it overall. And at number 1 is the Autel MaxiSys Ultra S2, our strongest overall choice for a workshop wanting one premium platform for diagnostics, programming, measurement, and advanced analysis. The Ultra S2 uses a massive 13.7-inch touchscreen, 512 GB of storage, upgraded high-performance hardware, and a professional interface designed for heavy daily use. Topology 3.0 provides dynamic network analysis, while enhanced live data and PID tools help technicians compare systems, visualize relationships, and identify faults that basic scanners can miss. Autel combines OE-level full system diagnostics, active testing, ECU coding, supported online programming, service functions, digital vehicle inspection, and modern vehicle communication in one unified workflow. The 6-in-1 VCMI2 is a major reason the Ultra S2 leads the ranking, combining vehicle communication, J2-534 programming, oscilloscope, multimeter, waveform generation, and CAN bus testing. It supports modern protocols including DoIP, CANFD, J2534, and D-PDU, and its large screen makes topology, waveforms, live data, and diagnostic documentation easier to analyze together. For high-level workshops, the benefit is integration. Instead of switching between multiple separate devices, the Ultra S2 can take a technician from initial scan to programming and electrical verification. For that complete combination of hardware, software, measurement, programming, network analysis, and future-ready workshop capability, the Autel MaxiSys Ultra S2 takes our number 1 position. So that is our top 10: Zenith Z5, Zenith Z7 Lite, Master X2, Phoenix Remote, MS909S2, Expert 399, Phoenix Smart, MS919S2, Phoenix Max, and Ultra S2. Remember, this ranking is based on overall professional capability. A smaller workshop may get better value from a lower ranked scanner that matches its actual daily jobs. Vehicle coverage, ECU programming, online functions, secure gateway access, and advanced features always depend on the specific make, model, year, region, and active software package. Before choosing a scanner, compare the vehicles you service most often and the functions that generate revenue for your workshop. Diagnostics, coding, programming, ADAS, TPMS, or electrical testing. For compatibility, availability, package options, and technical guidance on these diagnostic platforms, contact Automax Tools UAE. Thanks for watching, and follow for more professional workshop comparisons.